Amritsar. Amritsar is a historical city of Punjab and it is also known as the home of holiest shrine of Sikhism, the Golden Temple. Places to visit in Amritsar. The Golden Temple. Also known as Sri Harmandir Sahib, the Golden Temple is the holiest Sikh temple in the world. The shrine was designed by Guru Arjan Sahib and its foundation laid by Muslim Saint Hazrat Mian Amir Ji of Lahore. Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh is a public garden that features a memorial of the famous Jallianwala Bagh massacre. A well which people jumped into to escape the gunfire has been preserved inside the park. The Wagah border. The Wagah border is a must on the list of places to see in Amritsar. Patriotism is at its ceremonial best here. It is a famous tourist spot nowadays because of the famous beating retreat ceremony that is held every day before sunset. Durgiana Temple. Durgiana is around 1.5 kilometers from the Golden Temple and looks like a replica of the same. Dedicated to goddess Durga, the temple was built in 1908 by Hasim Al Kapoor. Places to eat in Amritsar. Walk around the narrow by lanes of the old city and feast on kulchar, kachori, paratha, lassi and butter chicken. Top places to eat in Amritsar include Kesar Da Dhaba at Chowk Pasyan, Bharwan Da Dhaba near Town Hall and Kanha Sweet at Dayanand Nagar. Hall Bazaar. Located off Hall Road, Hall Bazaar is one of the busiest shopping centers. Hall Bazaar is also famous for the Gandhi Gate, which acts as one of the entry points to the Hall Bazaar. Interesting facts about Amritsar. Amritsar railway station is the main terminal station. The Samjhauta Express runs from Delhi through Amritsar to Lahore in Pakistan. Shri Guru Ram Das Ji International Airport is an international airport about 11 kilometers northwest of the city of Amritsar. Amritsar is located on the historic Grand Trunk Road, also known as NH1, now renumbered as National Highway 3. As of the 2011 census, Amritsar municipality had a population of 11.3 lakhs. The heritage city Aurangabad, Maharashtra, is best known for the Ajanta and Ellora caves. Often referred to as the Berlin Wall of Asia, Wagah border is the one and only border road crossing between India and Pakistan. Early childhood of Lava Kush, sons of Lord Rama, was spent in the area now known as Amritsar. The lassi at Ahujaz near Hindu College is the best. When in Amritsar, do not miss out on this yummy drink. The Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar still has walls with visible bullet marks from the infamous massacre. Approximately 50 to 100,000 people dine at the free community kitchen of Golden Temple on a daily basis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.